So hey, what's up guys, it's your homegirl checking in, and today I am actually going to be doing something a little bit new because I am eating raw shrimp. And yeah, I know it sounds disgusting. To be honest, like if I wouldn't have tried it like the first time, I would still think it's nasty, right? Yeah, but it tastes good. Like it's not like as you think it is like when you first see it. I mean, you have to try it to be able to talk shit about it, you know? If you have tried it and you don't like it, then hey, we respect. Mm. And I'm gonna leave it like really clear that shit, I ain't doing this to fucking gain views, cause that's not what I'm about. I'm not selling my soul like that. Mm. Oh damn. Mm. I should have probably like cut it in half because I have lipstick on, and to be honest, like I'm not trying to eat no lipstick. And I don't like eating with lipstick either, but hey, this makeup is beautiful, and to be honest, it wouldn't look right without the lipstick. Eating raw things is not healthy for you, but once in a blue moon, I believe it's good. Hmm. You could hear it. Hmm. Hmm. Oh shit. You throw it. Mm-hmm. And this has like a lot of lemon juice. I seen this video on YouTube of this female eating raw shrimp. But to be honest, like I was not criticizing her, but I was like asking myself, is it really like that good? Why would she eat it like that? But to be honest, it is good. It is actually so good. Woo! Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yes! La verdad no me acuerdo si lo guardé o no. Many years. Mm. Like I just love the way my makeup turned out today. I don't know. Does it look like so yeah. When I was pregnant I couldn't eat nothing raw. Not no 50-50. No, it had to be fully cooked. Because it's not just about you. It takes a lot being pregnant. And it takes a lot being a woman because there's things that you can't do and you have to, lay back. Where are you going? My last one. When it's raw, I would recommend you not eating a lot, a little amount. Oh my god. So refreshing. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. And yes, much love from your homegirl Vicky MK Blaze.